We are networkers, trust and identity specialists, security experts, marketers. We are the academic and research networks of Europe. We work with business communities, governments, education and research organisations through taskforces and special interest groups, community projects, specialised workshops. The GÉANT Community Programme enables collaboration in the areas of networking technologies, education and services, explores and develops strategies and solutions to address emerging issues, produces innovative ideas and initiatives. EduRoam was born from an idea shared in a task force in 2003 and now is one of the most used services in the world. The GÉANT Community Programme is open. Anybody can join our groups and activities, so please contact us to find out more.